Welcome to Living in Tahoe. Today I'm excited because I'm in Incline Village, one of my favorite spots on the North Shore, and we are at 721 Cristina. So we are on the eastern slope for Incline Village, and we are at a great house. This is the best way for me to describe this house is this is a great Tahoe house. It's beautiful, they've got rock, they've got woodwork. It's not modern, it's not antique. It's just a great Tahoe house with beautiful views, a little pond, and a nice little layout. So I think you're gonna love this house, so let's go check it out. So it's 721 Cristina, there's a beautiful entryway. I love it, it's covered, has a nice cozy Tahoe feeling to it with the lantern lights. Beautiful, gorgeous door with the window light coming in. And then you're coming to this lovely hallway. It's just the woodwork is so fantastic with this alder and engineered floor. And then I'm not a huge fan of hallways. This is so nice. It's just, you're just walking up to this beautiful view of the lake. And then we have this half bath right here. So this is the main floor. If you're entertaining, you conveniently have a half bath right here. And then we have this awesome poster. I love this. Everything will kill you. So choose something fun. And they have this guy doing I don't even know what kind of move that is on skis. It's an awesome move though. Little coat closet here. And then this amazing, great room. And you notice you don't see any other house. It's just windows, light, and beautiful lake views. It's fantastic. Every great Tahoe house has to have a fireplace with stone. I love this. This is a gas fireplace, so you just turn it on, get the ambiance, get a little heat out of that to heat the room. We've got your big screen TV. And then we also have a nice sitting area here. I like this. And then the roof line changes. We've got cathedral ceilings in here, accentuating the canoe, which I think is beautiful, and the chandelier. And then you have this roof line coming over here, so it delineates like a separate room. It's like a nice cozy sitting room. And I mentioned the windows earlier, but now you can really see the windows. You're just up here, you don't see any other houses, just trees, lake, beautiful Lake Tahoe. It's fantastic. And normally I skip to the deck later, but this is outstanding. So let's come out here to the deck. What's interesting about the deck is the floors are heated. So if you've got snow out here, it's gonna melt off, it's great. And they landscape the yard, a lot of open space back there. It's all fenced in. You've got a waterfall, a pond. You've got 2 fenced-in yards for dogs. So everything you need is beautifully done for a great Tahoe house. Before we head back into the house, I love spending time on deck, so I'm gonna spend a little more time on the deck. I'll introduce myself while I'm hanging out here because it is so lovely. The views, the trees, the air, it's just fantastic. We are in mid-September. It's actually the Ides of September, I think. And everything is just beautiful weather. It's great. The sound of the waterfall, the stellar jay, it's great. So let me introduce myself. My name is Tahoe Tony Tuoto, the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate in the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. This is my YouTube channel, so if you like these videos, go ahead and subscribe, click on the notification bell, and you'll be notified when I've had another great video about another great Tahoe house. Isn't this fantastic? So this deck goes on, so you don't have to just stand here, you can also sit here. Couch out here, we've got room for a table. It's fantastic because deck space in Tahoe is priority because the weather is so amazing, just like it is right now. So let's go check out the rest of the house. So we're kind of going in a counterclockwise fashion here, but when the door's over there, it just feels like it flows that way to me. So we've got a beautiful little dining room table here with a chandelier. And again, if you're sitting here dining, you've got beautiful views of the lake, trees and light all the way around. What a great place to have a nice meal. And if you're not into the formal dining, you can pop over here to the breakfast bar and have a little casual breakfast or use this as your living room office, right? I could see somebody with a laptop in there. And they also have 2 spots to dine right here as well. So if somebody's in the kitchen making dinner, like my wife does sometimes, I like to just hang out at the bar and we can talk about her day, plans for the next day, whatever. So several options for dining and talking and hanging out. I like that. And then what they did with this kitchen is great. There's so much counter space here. I love it. I mean, Anytime you have a horizontal surface in a house, it gets covered, right? So the more horizontal surface, the better, I believe. So especially in the kitchen. So we have this little sink here in the middle. So if you are entertaining, which you so easily could in this house, there's so much room in here to entertain. You could easily have 20 people out here and they would be comfortable and they would all have their own little area to hang out and sit. And this kitchen is big enough to service that many people. So we've got your prep sink here. We've got your regular sink here. It's nice. Again, tons of counter space. Your dishwasher's right here, right next to the sink, which I love. I hate when the dishwasher isn't near the sink. I don't know why they do that sometimes, but they did it right in this house, which is great. And then this classic Tahoe feels chandelier right in the middle. But then we have all these can lights in here to create a nice, gentle flow of light. Beautiful refrigerator. This refrigerator's nice. They've got this split drawer in the middle here, so you can adjust the temperature on that. So you can make it a wine drawer, you can make it a freezer, whatever you need. If you're doing, I don't know, I'm just thinking of margaritas, but that wouldn't work in there. But so many options with it, I like that. Let's move on, Tahoe Tony. Okay, we've got a good little pantry here. It's a nice size. The light comes automatically. I like that. So you just open the door, the light's on, you grab what you need, and you get back to serving all your guests. I love it. We've got a double oven here, and then we have this a microwave, but I was like rushing over to the La Cornue stove. Isn't this beautiful? It's French, it's gorgeous. Goes really well with the house too, because you notice all the pools and everything match this. So whoever designed this did a fantastic job with that. So a nice kitchen, not huge, just the right size for this house. Not overwhelming, but so nicely designed with all the counter space, the little nooks, the window, everything. They did a fantastic job in here. Another great design I like about this house is the garage is right here. So many times when you come in your garage, you've got groceries, you've got something for the kitchen, and it's right there. So they've got the, what kind of floors are these with the little pallets in here? It's treated epoxy floor. Thank you, Elizabeth. They got an epoxy floor, which is easy to keep clean because a lot of times in the winter, you're gonna come in and have snow on your car. So this looks like it drains that way out, which is great. These gorgeous copper doors. You've got cabinets over here, which I'm guessing those are the cabinets from the original kitchens. This house was built in 1984, 85, and these look like 1984, 85 cabinets. Anyway, it's nice to have those. Got lots of storage space in here for all your traps and such. We've got two big doors, plenty of room in between. Then we have this other room over here for garbage cans, snow blowers, whatever. There's a furnace there for heating the decks. I love that. And then it looks like you have hot water right here too. So if you do need to rinse your car off with hot water or something, you've got it. So a really nice garage for a really nice, great Tahoe house. I really don't want to leave this floor. It's so nice here. What a great feeling with all the windows, the light, and this great Tahoe house. I love it. But I do want to show you the rest of the house. So downstairs we have 5 bedrooms, a laundry room, and access so you can get outside. So let's go check it out. As you, this house does not disappoint. You would hope they would have a beautiful master bedroom in such a great Tahoe house, right? And you're not going to be disappointed. This is a beautiful master bedroom. It's a good size, but it feels cozy and comfortable. They've got the wood, the aged wood on the wall, the weathered wood on the wall. They've got this beautiful fireplace down here, and that's the kind that has the lights and everything. So it's going to set the mood for you in your master bedroom. And then they've got more windows and light. And then every now and then in Tahoe, it's a little bit warm. So they've got an air conditioner here, which I love because you can cool the room down. You always sleep better when it's cooler. So this is great. And then they have this incredible deck out here. I love this. So hopefully you can hear the waterfall going. Elizabeth, I had a house in Tahoe and we put in a waterfall and a stream, and it was so nice to sleep to that sound. It was great. So I love what they did here. This is your own private deck. You know, this is your house. The master bedroom is your house. You have your own private deck. You should spoil yourself and you get to here with your own deck, overlooking the waterfall, views of the lake in the background. It's fantastic. So the lake is a little bit smoky today. There's a fire in California, so the views, you don't see them as well here. They don't pop as well as they normally do. So here's some photos of what it looks like. It's fantastic. So this beautiful deck, spoil yourself, and it gets better. Let me show you the next scene, okay? Isn't this amazing? Isn't this a great master bathroom? It's like a spa. I love it. If you have an elephant, you need to wash your elephant, there's plenty of room in the shower. It's incredible. I love it. Plenty of shower heads. I mean, you can dance in here. I love it. And then we have the copper tub. Everybody's got to have a copper tub, right? What I love about this tub is you can sit in here, you can look out at the lake. It's great. And just soak. Take your time soaking. Plenty of counter space, so if you want to do all your makeup or all the accessories you need to take care of in the bathrooms, there's room, plenty of little drawers. They've got a nice sized closet over here too. So this is a walk-in closet, and it's a good sized closet. I like this. So you can walk all the way in. We've got drawers, looks like they've had it like the California closets or whatever with all the accessories to make it even better. Another great benefit about the design of this house, they've got this room right here. It's one of the smaller rooms right next to the master suite. So you can use this as an office, you can use this as a nursery, or if you have lots of clothes, you can use this as an extended closet as well. So it's just the right size to take care of all of that stuff. It does have its own little closet. If actually, this is a good sized closet over here if you need a closet. But this room, it's kind of like the accessory room. So again, you could use it as a nursery if you've got little kids. If you don't have little kids, you could use it as an office if you're still working. And if you're not working, you could use it as a workout room or an extended closet, whatever you like. I mean, just an added benefit for this house. Go check out the other bedrooms. And then we also have a guest suite at the end of the hallway. You're gonna love it. So we've got a nice, comfortable bedroom here with windows for egress, double closets. It's very comfortable. Whoever stays here is gonna be very happy. We have another nice sized bedroom. So two really nice sized bedrooms, double closets, beautiful window for light and egress. Whoever stays here is gonna love this one as well. So who's ever using those two nice sized bedrooms, they get to share this bathroom, a really big shower, dual sinks, everything you need for your guests to be, or kids, or whoever's staying here to be comfortable. And at the end of the hallway, you have this beautiful suite. It's really large, it's got a big TV, plenty of room for a dresser and everything, and then this gorgeous bathroom, extra large closet, and then actually views of the lake from here as well. So really nice guest suite at the end of the hallway on the opposite side of the house from the master suite. A really big bathroom for the guest suite, another large shower, not big enough for an elephant, but a small size horse maybe. Again, they've got dual shower heads in there. I love that, dual sinks, great. I mean, your guests staying here are gonna be so happy. So this beautiful iron staircase railing here, I love it. And another thing I wanna point out is underneath the stairs, underneath the house, there's a ton of room under there. Check out these views of the room underneath the house. So if you needed more room, if you wanted more bedrooms or an extra family room or something, there's plenty of room downstairs, and you would have your access right here to get down there. So you could put stairs underneath these stairs to get under this house. So this house is over 3,300 square feet. If you need more room, it's there, you just gotta finish it out. So that's why I wanna point out these stairs, because you can get access to under the house if you need it. Or what we're doing now, we have this beautiful extra large laundry room here. That's not just a laundry room, it could be a craft room. There's plenty of cabinets, counter space. Like if you wanted to make this where you wrap Christmas presents or get ready for somebody's party, whatever, plenty of room here. And then this door, come on down here, Elizabeth. This door is your access to go outside. So if somebody has a dog, there's a dog yard here, and then a dog run over there, and then the entire backyard of the property is fenced as well. So plenty of room for storage. This is underneath the garage. They've got a generator, a backup generator over there. So everything you need in this house is just designed so you can be as happy and as comfortable as possible. So if you're successful, you've done really well, and you want to get Nevada residency, this is an incredible house in North Lake Tahoe in Incline Village again. Again, we've got the pond, the waterfall, extra benefits. They got the fire pit out here, beautiful place to hang out. So if you're ready to spoil yourself because you've done well and you want to get Nevada residency, this is an awesome house. So if you're thinking about making the move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada in 6 days, 6 weeks, even 16 months, reach out to me. All my information's down below. I'll hook you up. give you the information you want to see. If you want to check out this report I got on what you could save if you were moving from California to Nevada, check it out. And this is a report that's immediate. The savings are immediate. It's not like the federal government when they say, oh, you're going to save $6 trillion. Yeah, within 10 years, but 10 years from now, we all know they're going to change everything. So these are immediate savings. Check out this tax calculator I have. It's a great report. You can get it right here. If you're thinking about making the move to Nevada, let me know. I would love to help you. I've been helping people make the move to Nevada for 28 years and I love it. I've met some really nice families. I sold the house next door to a family. They were getting ready to retire, so they bought a townhome in Incline Village. They realized they love it. All their kids loved it. So they sold that and bought that house next door. And it worked out really well for them. A lot of families, I've helped them do that. They want to buy a smaller place, check it out, make sure they love Tahoe, and then they end up buying a nice, great home like this, or you can skip that step, buy this nice home right now, and I guarantee you're gonna be happy, because I guarantee this will be the best real estate experience you've ever had.